I just thought of a new way to think about your life, and it might change the trajectory of yours forever. You have to be a prime number. We have so many composite numbers just piling up out the wazoo, but the prime numbers are few and far between. And I know there's actually an infinite number of prime numbers, but let me get my spiel out of the way, and then we can talk about that, okay? What do I mean when I say be a prime number? What makes a prime number prime? And what makes a composite number composite? Well, of course, a composite number is made up of two other numbers. It has factors, whereas a prime number's factors are only one and itself. So we got like 2, 3, not 4, we got 5. So all of those are prime numbers, and the list goes on. But as you'll notice, the more numbers you have as the number line goes on, the less and less prime numbers you have, and the more and more composite numbers you have. And this is what we're seeing in society as well. Now, what is the point I'm trying to make? A composite number, as I mentioned, is made up of two factors. So a composite number is always taking a piece from him and taking a piece from her and doing some shit. I use two genders there to be inclusive. But what you have to do is understand that prime numbers don't take from anybody. They take from one and they take from themselves. You have to be like this. And it all has to do with cringe and how you evaluate cringe. Because to be cringe is to be free. If I'm a prime number, I understand that I am not taking from anyone else because I am not someone who needs to take from someone else. But if I'm a composite number, I'm thinking, ooh, let me get a little bit of this and let me get a bit of that. And that's not a horrible thing. You can live your life as a composite number. But to be a prime number, you have to be unique. You have to do something that maybe people have done before, but make it your own way. You have to be your own person, unworried about what other people think of you to be a true prime number. And that's what they all do. We feel like we have to take a piece from each person. We feel like we can't really reach out and do anything new because of the fear of embarrassment, the anxiety of what other people think. And again, I know my words alone are not going to solve that for anyone. It's something you kind of have to realize yourself and implement yourself. But it really just is the truth. Nobody cares what you're doing. If you want to do something and your major concern or major worry for not that reason you're not doing that thing is because you're worried about what people think about you, just know that that reason has zero grounds in reality. It is all in your own head. Furthermore, for those out there worried, do I have the potential to be a prime number? The answer, as I foretold in the beginning of the video, is yes, because as fortune may have it, there are an infinite number of prime numbers. So despite the fact that prime numbers become less common as you go on, there are still an infinite number of them. And all you got to do is take one of their slots to unlock your full potential. Now, I know this is kind of a silly example, and it frankly doesn't make a whole lot of sense. I just thought of it. But what I'm really getting at, and what I kind of leaned into at the start, is too many people these days are just worried about what other people are doing. If you realize just how little other people are thinking about you, how little other people are judging you, you can do so many more things.